In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve math problems and equations using ChatGPT 2026 guide. First, stop wasting time typing complex fractions or calculus notation. Let's capture the problem directly. On a computer, use your system's screenshot tool. On Windows, open your snipping tool from search, select the area around the equation, copy it, then paste straight into your ChatGPT chat. On Mac OS, press Command, Shift, and 4, drag to crop the equation, and paste the image into the chat. If your problem is on paper or in a workbook, open the ChatGPT mobile app, tap the camera icon in the message box, frame the equation under good lighting, take the photo, and confirm. Aim for a crisp head-on image with the entire expression visible. Retake if glare or shadows hide symbols. Next, switch to the model built for careful math. In the model selector at the top of your workspace, choose the Advanced Reasoning option, often labeled Thinking Mode. Pair your uploaded image with a precise instruction so the system knows how you want the solution presented. A reliable template is: analyze the mathematical equation in this image, solve it carefully, briefly name the core rules or formulas you apply, and provide the final answer rounded to one decimal place. This keeps the output structured and easy to verify without you micromanaging notation. After you submit, review the response closely. For heavier computations like large systems, optimization, or statistics, the tool may spin up a Python-based calculation in the background to guarantee numerical accuracy. If a calculation pane or file appears, open it to confirm the numbers match the explanation. This programmatic check is especially helpful when decimals, matrices, or iterative methods are involved, since it avoids common typing or arithmetic slips. Be aware of plan limits because advanced math uses more compute. Free accounts have limited access to the flagship model and may be moved to a lighter fallback when usage spikes. Premium tiers like Plus or Go typically allow about 160 messages every 3 hours on baseline models, plus a weekly pool for extended reasoning. If you hit a cap during a study sprint, the system may quietly reduce complexity. Keep an eye on the model label at the top so you know which tier you're on and whether you should wait, simplify a prompt, or switch back later. If the result doesn't match your textbook or you spot an error, don't start a new chat. Use the ongoing thread to target the issue. Say something like, "The derivation looks incorrect around step 3. Please recompute using the quadratic formula to solve for the variables." Then add, "Provide a separate validation showing your final numbers satisfy the original equation." This forces a clean rerun and a direct check against the problem's conditions. And that is all for today. Combining high-quality image uploads with ChatGPT's dedicated reasoning mode takes the stress out of complex calculus and geometry, turning your screen into an interactive math tutor in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.